I'm only using found materials, and it's really fiddly to cut this netting out. What I do is I place a circle, or relatively circle, on top of it in a darker color so that I can see what I'm doing, and then I'll cut it out. I won't buy new fabrics. It's a lot of fiddly work to prepare the materials for a project using the upcycled fabrics, but it's meditative time. And then I have these scraps which I'm adding to my scrap piece supply. It also gives it interesting texture. I create portable workstations because I sometimes like to sit outside if it's not too hot, and it's basically a wooden board, and I take all parts of that particular project on it. I'm going to be creating these now. So what I need for that are my fabric circles, the remnants, the colored remnants which I'm going to be placing on the fabric circles, the netting which will be placed on top of that, and pre-threaded needles, because I almost have to use a magnifying glass when I thread them, so I thread a bunch of them before I start working, and a pair of scissors, of course. Okay, when I start creating, I take the netting first, and then I lay the pieces on top of it, a bunch, and it will flatten out as I work. And then I take a piece of fabric and place it on top of that. I'm going to be working from the back side. And basically what I'm doing is I want to create a small running stitch around the edge just to hold everything in place. As you can see, it's flattening while I work. Just want to catch it. Here you can see a little running stitch. It's actually quite quick. Keep going. Almost done. And then I just place the thread in between the layers. I don't have to backstitch too many times, just once, because when I'm attaching it to the fabric, I'll be appliquing around and on top of it. And now cut the thread. What I'm going to be doing is I'm cutting, I want the circle, so I'm cutting away all of the excess, which again I'll be reusing in the next one. I want to shape it as a circle. And it's done. I call this mindful creation, not mindless. It's meditation, and I think about other projects while I'm working on this project. Take my netting, place some scrap fabric over it. I'm going to be creating a small medallion, and the medallion is going to be more or less the size of this grey background fabric, and I'm just going to be stitching on it up and down in order to catch all the layers. I'm trying to go as close to the edge as I can so that the scrap pieces don't slip out. So I'm holding the netting, trying to hold all the layers. And what I'm doing whilst I'm creating this is I'm thinking about a wave project where I'm going to be creating wings, and I need time to sort it out in my head. That sometimes happens when I sleep or when I work on something mindful, like this project that I'm working on at the moment. And now, because I'm using purple thread, I've gone around the edge. I can go up and down all across it, because seeing the purple thread on the other side is part of the design. I'll go up and down once or twice more, and then I'm going to be cutting off the excess so that I can get a little medallion. I want really small ones for the hand sewing project that I'm doing. So now I'll cut this, and now I'm cutting around the medallion the size of the grey, and all of these remnants are going into the remnant pile, and you can see now why it never stops growing, never finish any of this fabric, because it just keeps getting added to. This is my little medallion.